Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to make your life easier and more fun. If you're like me, you know every penny counts. Whether it's for textbooks, coffee, or just a night out with friends, having a little extra cash can make a big difference. That's why I'm super excited to talk about an app that's been a game changer for me and millions of others. It's called Survey Spin. And let me tell you, it's the real deal for earning some cash. Imagine turning your spare time into a money-making opportunity, all from the comfort of your home or while you're on the go. Here's the scoop. Survey Spin members have raked in over $24 million just by taking simple surveys, checking in at their favorite brands, and participating in daily polls. That's right, $24 million. And it's not just about the money, it's about the ease and convenience of earning it. And get this, a whopping 82% of new members earn $5 on their very first day. Imagine starting your journey with Survey Spin and already seeing the rewards within hours. It's a fantastic way to get motivated and keep going. Now you might be wondering, how can I start pocketing some of that cash? Well, it's super simple. First up, surveys. These surveys are designed to be quick and easy, so you can complete them in between classes, during your lunch break, or even while watching TV. You just share your opinions, which researchers are eager to hear, and you get paid for it. It's that straightforward. Your feedback helps shape products and services, making you an essential part of the process. Next, we've got check-ins. You claim free money while check-in on the app, up to 10 times a day. Imagine getting paid just for checking in on the app from your phone. It's like getting rewarded for your daily routine. It's a fun and engaging way to earn. And don't forget the daily poll. This is one of the easiest ways to earn with Survey Spin. It's a quick and fun way to earn by simply voting on a question each day. These polls are often about current events, popular trends, or just fun topics, making them enjoyable to participate in. It's literally a few taps and bam, more cash in your pocket. Plus, it's a great way to stay informed and engaged with what's happening around you. Cashing out is a breeze too. Survey Spin offers multiple payout options to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer PayPal, direct bank transfers, or even prepaid Visa cards, Survey Spin has got you covered. This flexibility ensures that you can access your earnings in the way that works best for you. And if you're into shopping, you can grab gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, AMC, and more. These gift cards make perfect gifts for friends and family, or you can treat yourself to something special. So, if you're looking to make some easy cash, why not give Survey Spin a whirl? It's a fun, engaging, and rewarding way to spend your free time. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. With Survey Spin, you can turn your opinions and daily activities into real money. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips. Catch you next time. Stay tuned for more ways to make your life easier and more rewarding.